In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Scotiabank login not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can prevent the Scotiabank app or website from loading properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if you're on a home network. Once the connection is stable, try logging in again. Make sure the credentials you are using is correct. Double check your username and password and ensure caps lock is turned off. If you are unsure, use the forgot password option to reset your credentials and try signing in again. Next up, on desktop, try refreshing the page or opening Scotia in a different browser. Clear cache and cookies. Click on three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, click on site settings. Navigate to the option allow permission. From here, find Scotiabank. Now click on the trash icon and confirm it. Likewise, check if you are connected to any VPN, proxy or ad blockers. For that, head over to the section extensions. If you have enabled or if you are connected to any VPN, disable it. Next, make sure your app or browser is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues and prevent successful login. And that's it. Following these steps, you'll be able to log into Scotiabank. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.